how to change or translate Douyin app to English. So if you want to change or translate Douyin app to English, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Douyin app, or you can just simply go with your browser and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, once you're in your Douyin app, and if you want to translate, then what you need to do is just simply go with the top and you will find the translate option. But if you don't find a translate option right here, then you can go with the three dots, which will be on the right side. From here, you will find the option of translate. You need to click on translate, and then you can just simply click on English. Or if you want to go with any other language, you can go with the three dots, which will be on the right side, and choose any other language. Click on choose another language and select the other language. So I'll simply go with English. And as you can see, that it has been changed or translated to English. That's how you can change or translate. And if you like this video, then hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.